In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, just open the camera app and go through all the setup options and switch to video mode. Here it is. And if you want to change your recording quality, tap on settings icon, and here you've got video size and file format. So just click here and you can smoothly play, for example, 4K. Then let's go back, and here you can also change the file format if you want to. So this is it. So you can change video quality, you can manage it as only you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.